How to lock Evernote Notes. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple, and we will be doing that by setting up a PIN code that will lock the app. So just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Evernote. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the bottom left corner. After that, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. After that, click on the option that says passcode. Once you get to this page right here, you will see the option to enable and turn on the passcode. Go ahead and do that. As soon as you do that, it will ask you to set a passcode. So go ahead and enter one. After that, re-enter the passcode as a confirmation. Once you do that, the passcode will be enabled and the app will be locked as well as your notes. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to lock Evernote Notes. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.